On my mama, man, size 16 is hard to cop. It's bow kicks.
What's good with you, YouTube? Instantly back again, your boy Bo Kicks. And another kick I wanted to grab. Picked it up off Ewing athletics.com. Another sport light. I kind of went over this in another video. Size 16, hard to cop. You know what I mean? I'm not going to go over the colorway because it's going to be pretty obvious when I pull it out. Grillos Pickles. Never heard of you. You know what I mean? Until I seen this. So I didn't cop it, you know, because of the pickle logo or anything like that. The colorway was dope, in my opinion. And that's really why I mess with it. All my life, it's either been Deal Clausens. You know what I mean? That's what I've been introduced to all my life. But Grillos apparently is either New York based or Boston based pickle company. They sell other stuff too. Maybe it's a deli or something. I'm not sure. But Grillos, yeah, and it's owned by, you know, some cat. I think his name is Travis. I'm not sure. I'll throw it up somewhere. But somehow that company came together with a sneaker company to do a colorway for a shoe. The model of this shoe actually exists already. I didn't even know Ewing came with these little codes, but the model of the shoe already exists. It's the Sport Lite. I like this box though. That's kind of dope. But it's the Sport Lite, and I like the colorway. Okay, ooh, spare laces. This might be the first time I bought a Ewing that came with spare laces. I'm not sure. But I like these for sure. Green laces. We'll take that. You know what I mean? Let's get into the kick. I like when they use the suede. Yeah, it's not a super smooth suede. The toe box is. Around the toe box is not. So this green here feels slightly rough. There's no really change in color, but this gray is silky smooth. And you can, I don't know if the camera, I don't know, but it does have what they call the booty backstroke motions on that thing. On the tongue here, you see Grillos written right there. Looks like wood paneling, but this is like a leather. It's kind of stiff, but has that effect like a wood paneling. You got white soles with the clear outsole. It says fresh on the bottom, which is, that's pretty fire too. This is actually a really thick, clear bottom too. I guess this is the logo for Grillos. You got that icon on the back, which that's kind of sick. Dope shoe. I'm pretty impressed with these. So this will be my second Sport Light in the Ewing, this Ewing silhouette, and I kind of like it. I like this suede here. A lot of suede on here. This leather. So basically, it kind of acts as trim to the suede. The leather pieces, the leather hits here. Standard white laces in. We'll take a look at this other one too. Oh, no, they didn't, bruh. Not only do they have the green laces, but apparently the red too. Bruh. Can we Christmas this thing? I might have to do that. My son going ham on that goddamn video game. Bruh. You're killing me, man. My son, man, you killing me, man. He having fun. I remember being a kid and just want to have fun. This is my hobby. I don't want to have that affect anything that the kids are doing. You know, so let's set this up though. These is fire, bro. This like Grillos on both. Let's set this one right here for the time being. It does say Grillos on both. It doesn't say Ewing like it typically does on the tongue. But you can see here Ewing's there. You got your little pickle guy on both shoes. I don't know if y'all can see that. These are fire, man. Gray suede, green suede, a little bit of leather to contrast. I like these a lot. 2 extra laces. I'm fucking with it. You know what I mean? Yes, I'm pretty pleased with this one. Ooh, I just noticed something else I'm gonna show y'all in a minute. But, you know, we give it that look like that, and I don't know if I could show it on the camera, if y'all can even see that. It's got a print at the bottom. It looks like pickles. So I'll catch that hopefully in some B-roll. That's a trip. That's dope. These is fire, man. I know a lot of people don't really talk about the Ewings a lot, but I like the kick, man. I really do. I like the Jordan, or excuse me, the Ewing model, as well as the Jordans. I fuck with silvers too, you know what I mean? But these are a fire pickup. I'm glad to add them to the collection, and we're gonna sit there like yeah. Other than that, it's your boy Bo Kicks.